So here's my survey point, the center of my survey point, and just looking down, I'll put a flag right here on this cedar. There we go. That's a little bit closer. There we go. All right, so there's my center point flag. And then down this way, I put a flag at 25 meters on that tree. And then 50 meters, so now we're starting to visualize that distance from me. And then beyond the 50-meter flag, there are two like brick thingies. Those are our mailboxes out here. In the middle of that, just beyond that, is the cul-de-sac where my house is. And the middle of that cul-de-sac is 100 meters. And in fact, beyond that cul-de-sac, I put another flag and a red bud way down there just to sort of give you a visual. Just sort of looking in the other direction, going toward my neighbor's house here. There's some bird feeders, but that flag is 50 meters away. So I'm standing here, and that flag right in the middle there is 50 meters. So that's how I'm visualizing the area that I'm going to sample. It's this 100-meter radius circle around me. Anything I hear or see outside that circle, I'm not going to count, even if it's something really cool and I want to. I'm only going to count the things in the circle. And that's important because we're using standardized methodology now, because my counts have to be comparable to your counts and thousands of other people's counts on, for example, the North American Breeding Bird Survey. So for big survey methods like that, certainly for research, we want to be collecting data in a systematic way, and that's what we're doing.